Oh, check it out.
It's all happening right here.
Check it out. Man, we're about to go for a ride. He's gonna go ahead and fire it up for us. There we go. Whoa. Hey, what's the retail on one of those?
Starts at 60,000, nicely equipped at 85.
Let's hear it. C8, more than you can afford, pal. What is going on, Drive 615, Byron Glover Jr. coming to you live. Hope you guys are doing well. Right now, I'm on my way to meet up with my friend Jeremy Wellborn. You guys have seen him on the channel before. He was kind enough to bring his 2020 C8 Coupe down. Right after he bought it, took museum delivery of it, brought it right down to Nashville. Let me check it out, let me take it for a drive. Amazing.
What's up, buddy?
Jeremy, what's up, brother? Woo! Driving my first C8. Well, he's doing the exact same thing, except this time he's got the C8 Convertible. I am super stoked, guys. We're gonna take a full in-depth look at it. Just check it out inside, outside. I'm really, really pumped. I've seen Convertible floating around Bowling Green with the top up. I've never seen the top down. I've never actually got to see it up close and personal, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Stay tuned, we're headed there right now. Super pumped. This one is torched red, so really, really excited to see how it looks, and I know you guys will be excited as well. Thanks again for all the support. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Leave a like, leave a comment, and let's roll, guys. It's a good view of Nashville from afar. I mixed it up. I didn't take the Z06, actually took my dad's sedan. Thought it'd be a lot more comfortable. And we are low on fuel actually right now, so we'll stop at a gas station, and I think that's where we're gonna meet Jeremy. It'll also be some good lighting because it's pretty dark at it. It's about 8:30 at night, so there'll be some good shots there. All right, guys, I see Jeremy right there. From a distance, it looks like a LaFerrari or something just wild. It does definitely not look like a convertible. These people have no idea what yeah, there you go. I'm pointing at that, not pointing at them. Let's see, here it comes. Check it out, guys. Woo! What's up, Jeremy?
What's up, Drive 615?
Oh, check it out.
It's all happening right here.
Check it out before your eyes. Wow. What's up, my man? How you doing?
What's up? I'm good. How are you?
Doing good, doing good. Let's hear a little. That's awesome, man. It's looking good. You're matching your car.
Yeah, we're in the red today.
Were you matching it last time? I feel like you're rocking the blue with the blue.
What's happening, Byron? How you doing, man?
Good. How are you?
Good to see you, man.
Absolutely.
We're in the blue, yeah.
This guy's got two. This is his second one.
Yeah,
obviously.
This is the convertible. We've got the coupe.
Yeah.
So let's go for a ride.
All right, man.
Let's talk about the car, go for a ride, whatever you want to do.
Sounds good. Well, yeah, we'll take a look at the exterior of it, then we'll look at the top configuration, then we'll go out and maybe take it for a quick little cruise. I appreciate it, man. This is awesome. What do you think of the new 2020 convertible C8? Yeah, you like it? You approve? Yeah. Yeah, it looks mean, man. This is some good gas station lighting. Might be the best lighting in the world, in my opinion. I think this is obviously it might look good in the daylight, but this is pretty spectacular, man. So let's, I guess, go ahead and just take a full walk around on it. Woo! Obviously same, pretty much interior, same front, same body. It's just mainly back here is where the
yeah, this is where the big business.
The business is going down, yeah.
You got the big bubble here.
Yep. And obviously can't see the engine bay like you can on the coupe where you got the,
Yep.
you know, glass. So that's kind of unique in that sense. Now, does anything else back here? Nothing else back here really changes, I don't think.
Not really. The rear cargo compartment, the trunk back here, is a little different from the coupe because the coupe, this part sits back a little further. Just the top part of it sits back a little farther.
Right.
So, but practically speaking, for space, it's exactly the same.
Okay.
For your luggage and whatnot.
Sounds good, and you can get a little peek of the.
Yeah.
I guess engine bay through there.
Right. And what we'll do, we'll put the top partially up in a minute, and then you can look inside and see what all is going on in there, because we can stop the top at any point.
Sounds good. Yeah, that's awesome.
So that's your rear.
Perfect.
Rear cargo area.
Now I did notice something. I noticed that on the coupe versus the convertible, the big change when the top's up right here. This is a lot more raked out on the coupe. So
this glass would be much bigger on the coupe.
Yeah,
because of how that, and the B pillar is farther up on, which gives the driver a lot more headroom.
Yeah.
So if you're a tall guy like you,
exactly,
and you're wearing a helmet for the track,
exactly,
it gives you a better. Your head's not going to be touching the top of the roof
for sure,
because you've got just a bigger area up there, which is fantastic for the taller driver.
Absolutely. That glass, now that rolls down.
That's as far down as it goes.
Oh, okay, interesting.
For a couple of reasons. One of them being that Tad Juchter explained that physically it cannot go farther down.
Okay.
But because this rakes forward, it's a dam for any water or in a rain situation or whatever. If you did have this down, it's not going to come on and flow over.
True.
It's going to stop here and then it'll drain.
That's actually good. Otherwise, it'd flow into your like wireless phone charger and start to puddle up in there. But wow, I mean, you do good on your specs, man. So we got torch red over the two-tone interior. That's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you gotta love the red seat belts. That like really gives it some nice pop, and obviously the red stitching throughout. I mean, this is really, it's a good spec, man.
Yeah, carbon flash nacelles and carbon flash top, and the A-pillars carbon flash.
Oh yeah, take a look at that, guys. See that?
Tons of metallic.
Yeah, let me go ahead and get that focused on there if I can. Yeah, there you go. That's obviously in the sunlight this may pop quite a bit more, and you got the carbon flash on the mirror caps as well, you were saying. So yeah, that's
and the blades, all of it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Is all carbon flash.
That's beautiful. There you go.
Calipers. This one has the front lift on it.
Okay, cool.
So have you seen the front lift operation?
Absolutely, yeah. So that'd be good getting out the driveway or pulling in.
You got that? Okay, this is of course this is a non-Z51 car.
Okay.
So it does not have the front splitter. It doesn't have the rear spoiler on it. But that makes it also the fastest of the two. Yeah,
is that right?
Top speed wise,
yeah,
the non-Z51 is not going to have the drag.
Okay, yeah, true.
So top speed, that's what's going to,
true.
So if we're out on a really long, fast run, this would start pulling away eventually.
Definitely on like, definitely not on a public highway. You know, that'd be on a track, of course, but
or a runway. Somewhere.
Yes, exactly, a drag strip or something. But man,
we did put the NPP performance exhaust, the extra 5 horsepower, and the rumble.
Okay, yeah, I heard that when you gave us a nice little rev. But this is
good audio. The front truck, of course, they just came out with that recall.
Yeah, exactly.
This car got held stock delivery when they did that, so that they could update it. Now you have to push this front button. You have to push it. Used to you just push it like that, it would release it. And now you have to push it once and hold it down. Okay, and then that'll pop it up. And then it'll finally pop up. Interesting, okay, so. You know what, I was like, how are people doing this? For the first time today, I was with this car, I was wiping it down, I was down in Bowling Green, wiping it down, and I was grabbing something out of here and I bent over, and it popped the rear. I said, I guess you can. I guess it is possible. Wow, that's crazy. Speaking of popping the rear, you mind go ahead and just maybe clamshell it up halfway and we'll take a look at that, and should be good. I think that's man, it's wild. It's just cool seeing it. I mean, I got excited when I saw the first C8. Now that I'm seeing the C8 Convertible, I'm like a whole new level of excitement. So he's gonna pop this up for us partially so that you can see. Okay, all right. So he's just folding it up just like that, and you can see this. Look at that. It's like the sprocket out of a
bike or something. Like I used to ride BMX bikes and this little sprocket.
You can stop it at any point. So
okay.
Anything you're wanting to clean or whatever, you can do
That's
that.
good, that's good.
But let's go ahead and put this up so you can take a look at the back.
Okay, so we got the top down.
Right
just
there.
check out that carbon flash, guys. Just
so we can just stop it right there. And
okay.
You can
just kind of mosey around in here. That again, that's just so wild. This is like half
of
those
gears,
like a gear, yeah, bike sprocket type thing, and interesting.
All open right there.
So I'm guessing the engine compartment obviously is underneath there. It's just the heat shield.
18 torque screws.
Okay.
I took them out last night. I posted a video on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
It's just Jeremy Wellborn.
Yeah, take a look. Link is in below. So give him a subscribe, give him a follow. Check out all his videos. He's got videos on the coupe and a ton of videos coming with the convertible.
I like too that this is painted. It's the carbon flash. It's
wow.
It's not just black, but it's it's the carbon flash paint, and that's just another. They didn't have to do that, but for quality,
absolutely,
how this looks, the appearance of that.
Could have just put like some felt or kind of some kind of this material, but they went ahead and painted it all the way. So that's wild. And this is what. So I guess that's as far back as it goes. So that's kind of like maybe like a not like a 45-degree angle maybe or something like that.
That's open all the way.
So there you guys go. Here's a perfect side profile of it with it up.
We're going to put it all the way up.
Okay. And there you go, back to normal.
When you hold that button all the way, put your windows up.
Yeah.
Rear window up.
Okay, cool.
So, and then you can put the rear window down by itself.
Okay.
To that,
Matter
of fact, this is pretty impressive. When you're driving down the highway, even 75 miles an hour, and you put that rear window down, you just want that little bit of exposure. Maybe you want to hear the exhaust.
Yep, exactly. Yep.
You don't hear any wind noise.
Amazing.
No buffeting.
Amazing.
You put that window down like that, and
that's awesome.
Really, really cool.
That's the worst when you get that buffeting, where it's like it sounds like you're like in a helicopter or something, and it blows out your eardrum.
Exactly.
That's really, really nice. This to me looks so much like this back little portion, like from here to here, looks like a 458 Spider. You know that whole little back corner.
Yeah, you're not the first person.
I think that really does. That looks like people probably think it's a Ferrari. I'm sure people don't realize that it's a Chevrolet product, GM product. So that's I think to me, I don't think it would look, in my opinion, I don't know how Z51 would look on this. I think it really looks good without the Z51, just the way it flows all the way around.
Yep.
I like it, man.
I've seen it both ways, and I do like the Z51 with the spoiler. In my opinion, it's the first thing you see instead of seeing that.
Yeah, this kind of accentuates.
The spoiler kind of jumps out, but when you just don't have it, it's just it's a flow.
Absolutely. Well,
it's an awesome flow into the design.
I love it, man. Well, we took a look at the outside. Let's go ahead and maybe go for a quick spin around the block and see what it's like with the top down.
All right, sounds good.
Thanks, man. We're about to go for a ride. He's going to go ahead and fire it up for us. There we go. Whoa. All right, that'll get you going. All right, guys. My first ride in a 2020
hardtop convertible.
Let's go.
Top down.
Top down, windows up. Got the back glass halfway right now, so we're cruising. It's around 9:30 at night, so it's a little bit dark out, but pretty cool. I guess maybe we'll get a little bit of launch off the line. That's awesome, man. That is awesome. It really does pull. So
there you go.
There we go. Got the inside line on. Got the top down. It's pretty fun just to be able to like. I don't know, you can just hear it rumbling behind your head, and it's just definitely you hear it a lot more than in the coupe, obviously, because you got this full exposure to the rear. So I think we'll take a listen here. Let's see. That's awesome, man. Super cool, dude. This is oh yeah, that sounds good. that shift definitely was a performance shift. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, I forget what it's like to be in a C8. I was just in one at the NCM Motorsport Park, tracking it up there for the C8 experience. Ridden in one since with you, actually.
Wow.
So yeah, that was the last time. It was back in March when he took me out in his coupe. That's just, yeah, it's comfortable. It's like 77 degrees. We got the top down, beautiful night, clear night. It's just, it's awesome.
Hear that? I love this when you're.
You know, in your manual, you hear it right there. It's
yeah,
like
you just hear that gurgle.
That mid-engine is like literally behind your. It should be called behind your head engine. That's awesome. Thanks again, man.
Hey,
I appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe to Jeremy's channel. Link is in below. He's at 1.5. Let's try and get him to 2,000. I think we can do it. So that'd be awesome, man. And then check out all his videos.
Yeah. And keep watching him, man. He's the best.
Trying to be, man. I appreciate it. Woo! All right, cool. I think we're gonna get some rolling shots here as a little bit of bonus footage at the end of the video. If you made it this far, then congrats. You get to see some sweet rolling shots of a 2020 C8 Hardtop Convertible.